Hello everyone and welcome back to another Python video. In this video we're going to be making a dice roller in Python. So rolling a die is very random. You can get either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. With that knowledge we're going to need to import the random module because again it is very random. So as always we start with a function and we're going to call it dice roller. So DEF, which stands for define dice roller. And this is probably going to be one of the last, I guess you can say, extremely simple programs that I make with the random module. I'm going to be using it more often or like more in the future, but this is going to be like one of the last like really simple, easy programs. So let's get started. So we're going to need to print and we're going to say welcome. And this isn't important, of course, but it's just for giggles. So dice count. This is how you initialize a variable. So we're going to be initializing a variable called dice count. And we're going to say int, which is typecasting. And there's more on that on my channel in another video if you don't understand what that is. But we're going to be in typecasting the input of a string to an integer. So input, how many dice would you like to roll? So it's going to ask you how many dice would you like to roll, and then we're going to store that within, or we're going to have the results variable, and within the results variable we want to say random dot rand int, which stands for random integer, and that's going to be either 1 through 6. So it's going to be picking a random integer from 1 through 6. 4 underscore in range dice count. So what this is doing is it's going to say random dot rand int, which means it's going to pick a random integer. This is a function right here from the random module, and it's going to be picking a random integer from 1 through 6 for each, I guess this little underscore means for like each element in range of dice count. So if dice count is 1, it's just going to do it one time, it's just going to pick randomly from 1 through 6. But if we say 3 dice count, then we're going to be rolling 3 pieces of dice. So it's gonna pick a random number from 1 through 6 for each one of those dice. So it might say 111, it might say 136, whatever, something random. But yeah, okay. And then it's gonna print f, and then we want to see the results. So the results is colon and then results. So let's try it out. Let's hope it works. So we want to say dice roller just to call the function, and when you call the function all of this runs. So let's see, welcome, how many dice would you like to roll? Let's say 2. Okay, 3 and 6. So the first die got 3 and the second one got 6. So let's run it again. How many dice would you like to roll? Let's say 5. Okay, so the first one is 1, 3, 3, 1, and the last one is 4. So as you can see, the program works. I hope you guys learned something new. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them down in the comments down below, where this full code will be posted. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.